In this video, I'm about to show you a method you can follow if you want to invest in Venezuela. So what I'm going to do is invest on the Venezuelan oil company Chevron, which is the oil company that is going up a lot because of what's going on in Venezuela right now. So a lot of investors are choosing to invest in this company. So this is not a recommendation. You have to do your own research to see if this is an investment that fits well for you or not. And if you decide to invest in this company, then just follow the steps I'm going to show you right now. So for this case, I'm using Trading212 platform. You can use any other one, to be honest. Most of them are very similar. So all you need to do is deposit funds into your account first. So for Trading212, click on main pot, click on deposit, and this way you can deposit as much as you want with different payment methods. You can use your credit card, you can use a bank transfer, you can use Google Pay. I think they offer Apple Pay as well, and this will change depending on the currency you are using. So in my case, I use euros, so I'm going to select this one. After you have your cash, in my case I only have 4 euros because this is just a test, you will need to search for Chevron. So you will go to the search text field right here at the top left and search for Chevron. Here we have this stock. We can see how it's performing right now. As you can see, it went up a lot in just 1 week because of all the situation in Venezuela right now. And to buy it, you just need to click on buy and then select how much money you want to spend on those shares. So for example, let's say I want to buy 100 euros worth of Chevron shares. I will just do it like this, then review order. In my case, I don't have any funds, but you will see a confirmation button and you just need to click it and you will automatically send the buy order. So after that, you should see your investment right here. In my case, I have other shares. So as you can see, I have, for example, Microsoft, Amazon, and more. So you should see Chevron right here. Once you want to sell it, just click on the Chevron share. In this case, I'm going to do it with Microsoft. You will see the sell button. You just need to click it and select how much you want to sell. So you can sell as much as you want. You can, for example, only sell half of your shares or sell everything. Then click on review order and send this sell order. So after a few seconds, you will have your money on your wallet, and all you need to do is withdraw it by clicking here and then just send it to your bank account. So that's it. I hope it was helpful and thanks for watching.